Kanina.
Oh, to swim ha? You need goggles?
Wow!
Beautiful. Well, sa Skagway guys, punta kayo dito kung kayo nasa Pilas. Mura lang ang pamasahe mga folks. Na meron lang kayong $20, makakarating na kayo dito sa Skagway.
Ayun oh, gandang amo guys oh. So guys, ayun na. First time ko nag-swimming dito sa aking swimming pool guys. Ang sarap pala guys. Ang sarap ng pakiramdam guys na wala ang aking amat. So kung may time kayo bumisita sa aking munting garden. Punta lang kayo dito guys. Welcome kayo dito guys. Walang charge to, free to. Punta lang kayo dito ha. Yan ha. Dito lang kayo guys ha. Punta lang kayo dito. Pwede kayo mag-iyaw-iyaw dito. Basta meron lang kayong dalang drinks. Huwag lang kayong magkakalat guys. Okay, so hanggang sa muli guys ha. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.
A few moments later.
Okay, so guys, I give you some more updates. So we just finished our adventure. We just finished our a little fun thing. So we're going back to the ship guys. So yeah, but those tech guys is still they're still having their time because they work at night. So I'm here with Rap and Tom. Say hi Tom, Rap. Okay, so they are going back to the ship together with me guys. So yeah, so we're having a good time guys. So yeah, I don't know if we're coming back again, but I don't know next week. But you know what guys, this is the perfect day. Okay, the weather is good, not so cold here in Skagway. So yeah, oh my god, we're having a good time. So guys, I'm gonna give you some more updates. So we're going back to the ship. So until next time, see you guys. Bye bye. Say bye bye guys. Woo! Bye bye.